Hello everybody, it's your immigration attorney Ruiz here with you today because I want to bring you some more information, and today I want to talk to you about how you can obtain your green card through the VAWA program. Now VAWA is for people who have been victims of domestic violence at the hands of their U.S. citizen or permanent resident spouse, parent, or child. VAWA stands for the Violence Against Women Act, but men and women can apply and have successfully been granted VAWA status. Now, the first part of the VAWA process is to file your first application, the I-360. This is the form that USCIS uses to process your petition as a victim of domestic violence. And that's where we have to, tell them who the abuser is, whether it's your U.S. citizen or permanent resident parent, spouse, or child, and give them all the information that they need. And in that packet, we have to submit evidence to show that you have been a victim of domestic violence. Because VAWA is a process that is special and unique for crime victims, it gives them many benefits. One of the benefits of the I-360, the VAWA process, is that there's no fee. It's completely free for you to apply for VAWA. Another benefit is that when we have to prove that the abuse is happening, immigration will accept any credible evidence. Immigration understands that victims of domestic violence are often in situations where they may not have access to the bills in the home or their own personal documents or any documents because of the type of control that is unique to domestic violence, where abusers do not let you have access to those documents. So in VAWA cases, USCIS, immigration, they will take any credible evidence in order to process your claim for VAWA. And that would be the first step. That's the first part of the process. We have to prove the allegation that you are a victim of abuse, and we have to prove that your abuser is a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. Now, once we've proven to immigration that you are a victim, that you were abused, and that your abuser is your U.S. citizen or permanent resident, spouse, parent, or child, the next step in the process is for you to apply for your actual green card. Now, that is in the I-485 application process, and the I-485 is so that you can file a petition to prove that you qualify to have a green card on your own. One of the benefits that the VAWA process does is that regardless of how you entered the United States, you will be able to do the entire process, the adjustment of status process, entirely inside of the United States. You will not be required to leave in order to process at a consulate abroad. You can do it entirely within the United States. Another benefit is that there is no public charge. When you're a victim of domestic violence and you're applying through the VAWA process, there is no public charge, and you will not need a sponsor to prove that you will be able to sustain yourself financially in the United States, or that someone else will take on that responsibility when you can't. Because this program is for victims, this is an additional benefit that is provided for victims to be able to successfully obtain their permanent resident status in the United States. Now, the VAWA process is something that our office is very familiar with. It's one of the most common types of cases that we take. And we understand that domestic violence is very serious, and, we don't talk about it. So there might be people in our family who are suffering from domestic violence. So if you need any more information, please click here. We have a whole VAWA series where we talk about what evidence is required. Do you need a police report? Who qualifies? What is abuse? If you need more information about VAWA, click on the link here and you'll be able to see our entire series and get all of the information that you need to determine if you qualify for VAWA. Remember, it's your immigration attorney, Ruiz, here with you today. And if you have any questions, if you're ready to start a case, give us a call. We handle exclusively immigration matters, and we're here to help you.